Peanut butter, a beloved and versatile spread, has become a staple in households around the world. Whether enjoyed on toast, as a dip, or incorporated into various recipes, peanut butter is a testament to the art of food processing. In this video, we delve into the fascinating journey of how peanut butter is made, from humble peanuts to the creamy delight that graces our plates. 1. Sourcing and selection of peanuts. The journey of peanut butter begins with the careful selection of peanuts. Peanuts are legumes that grow underground, and they come in different varieties, each with its unique flavor profile. Farmers cultivate these legumes in warm climates, mainly in the United States, China, India, and Africa. High-quality peanuts are chosen based on factors such as size, color, and oil content, ensuring the finest starting material for the production process. 2. Harvesting and shelling. Once the peanuts have matured, they are harvested by uprooting the entire plant. The harvested plants are then left to dry in the sun for a few days, allowing the peanut pods to fully develop. Following the drying process, the peanuts are mechanically shaken or threshed to separate the pods from the plants. This stage yields the raw peanuts still encased within their shells. 3. Roasting. Roasting is a crucial step that imparts the characteristic flavor and aroma to the peanuts. The shelled peanuts are spread in a single layer on large trays and roasted at a controlled temperature. The roasting process not only enhances the peanuts' flavor, but also helps to reduce moisture content, making them easier to process further. 4. Blending and grinding. Roasted peanuts are then transported to the processing facility where the transformation into peanut butter begins. The first step involves cleaning the peanuts to remove any remaining shell fragments or foreign particles. The cleaned peanuts are then sent through a series of grinding machines. Initially, they undergo coarse grinding to break them down into smaller pieces. Subsequently, the finely ground peanuts are passed through more refined grinders, resulting in a thick and smooth paste. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 5. Optional additions. Depending on the desired type of peanut butter, additional ingredients can be incorporated at this stage. These may include salt for flavor enhancement, sweeteners such as sugar or honey, and stabilizers to prevent oil separation. The quantities of these additives are carefully measured to ensure the desired taste and texture. 6. Homogenization. Homogenization is a mechanical process that further refines the peanut paste. This step involves subjecting the paste to high pressure, breaking down any remaining particles and ensuring a uniform texture and consistency throughout the product. 7. Packaging. The final step in peanut butter production is packaging. The homogenized peanut butter is pumped into jars, containers, or other packaging formats. Proper sealing ensures the preservation of freshness and prevents contamination. The packaging is often accompanied by labeling that includes nutritional information, ingredient lists, and branding. The journey from humble peanuts to creamy and delicious peanut butter is a testament to the intricate process of food production. Through careful sourcing, selection, roasting, grinding, and packaging, peanut butter manufacturers craft a beloved spread enjoyed by people of all ages around the world. As you savor the delightful taste of peanut butter, take a moment to appreciate the skill and dedication that goes into creating this culinary delight.